Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make butatama don. It's a rice bowl topped with scrambled egg and garlicky pork teriyaki. It's very easy to make, but it's so rich, filling and satisfying dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this butatama don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 200 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, 1 onion, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin and soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, some salt and pepper, and green onion to garnish. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and leave it at least for half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been half an hour, so let's cook it. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Simmer for 12 minutes. Kill the heat and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. Now, let's get to the toppings. All the cutting first. So green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut it into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. And let's make thin slices. And this is the garnish at the end. So let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Into half and slice it this way. And garlic. Just make thin slices. The eggs in the bowl. Beat it. One tablespoon of mayonnaise. Little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And mix. I still see some chunky mayonnaise in here. You don't need to mix it completely. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over high heat. Pour the egg mixture, cook with big stroke, and when it's half cooked, take it out. You want to keep the eggs nice and creamy, so make sure not to overcook it. Another tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Same frying pan. And let's cook the pork. When it's half cooked, add onion. Cook for 3 minutes or so, and both pork and onion are well cooked. Now, let's add the garlic and the seasonings. Sugar, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. And just keep cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, the toppings are ready. The rice should be ready too by now, so let's fluff it. Serve on the plate. Creamy egg on top. And the pork topping. Sprinkle some green onion. Budatamadon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The balance of the garlicky pork and the creamy egg is just so perfect. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Budatamadon is rice and main put together, so let's put it here and nothing here. And it's very rich and filling dish, so let's go light on the other dishes. Onion salad for one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.